Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. More RC vehicles in the review, and today in this video I have got a cockroach in the box. Rudder machine. Really? Man, I'm crying. Die, 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 die. This is one of the most soft steering rods that I have ever seen. One of them starts leaking. It has changed to the device. Pull both sides from under and voila. We are going to simply love it. Which is connected to a servo or a rudder machine. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Ali Shanma here. And today in this video we are going to take a look at the Subotech PathFinder. Check this out. This is the Subotech PathFinder, which looks extremely nice. I mean, absolutely fantastic work here with all that aggressive looking cage and everything. Do remember, this is still in between toy and hobby grade. It uses a very cheap 2.4 GHz radio, which everybody can use these days because probably those radios are selling for like $2 each or $1 for for dealers or for mass orders. But anyway, so this is the Subotech PathFinder with a 2.4 GHz radio. It's a four-wheel drive RC vehicle, which is a kind of like a dune buggy. Everything is getting into dune buggy or crawler style nowadays. This is 1/12 scales. I have already told you we're using a 2.4 GHz radio. It has hydraulic shock absorbers, spring-loaded shock absorbers, and it has a rudder machine. Come again? Rudder machine. Really? I think they want to say that it has servo for the steering. So like in toy grade they use motors which make a zzz kind of sounds when you turn them, and there is no proportional steering. This one does have a proportional steering. That means the way how much you turn the wheel on your radio, that much your wheels will turn. Okay, so it does have that steering with a servo, not a rudder machine, please. I have to get back to university for teaching English probably. Anyway, so let's get back to this. Let me open the box for this 2-speed 4-wheel drive Subotech PathFinder 1/12 scale electric RC vehicle. Now, before we open the box, I would like to actually do a little bit more reading of this super interesting English on the box. It actually describes the features of this RC vehicle as well, and that will save us time by describing it again when we take a closer look at the vehicle. So it has a reducer, which is a kind of central transmission system, and it also is running a universal 4-wheel drive shaft system, which is very, very good. It has changed to the device. I mean, if you look at the picture, they are trying to say that it has a beveled differential gears in the diffs, front and rear diff, beveled differential gears, and if it is really metal inside, I'm gonna love it. We are going to simply love it. Alright, and then it has rubber tires, which are of course standard on all these vehicles. Then we have a oh man, I'm coughing. I'm just Alright, I can control myself. Then we have a rudder machine, and then we have a servo for proportional steering. Man, I'm crying for that rudder machine. That's a joke of the day. Alright, then we have a whole metal bearings. Man, that is nice. Whole metal bearings and hydraulic shock absorbers. They are adjustable. They have springs on them, but are they oil filled? I'm not sure about that. We are going to check that out very, very soon and find out if one of them starts leaking or all four of them starts leaking. We will know there's oil in them. So, four-wheel drive climbing car, come on baby. Alright, ooh, man, now this is really, really nice. Wait a moment, so we have a 2.4 GHz radio system. One moment, let me just pull it out, come on baby. Which is, let me pick up a radio for JJRC Q46. Can you tell any difference? Okay, no, I cannot tell any difference because they are the same radios, which are probably once again coming for $1 only. Now wait a minute. Before we mix them up all, I'm just gonna carve something on them. Hey, I have a laser engraver as well. I can actually engrave things on them. Anyway, so this is Pathfinder. So I'm just gonna carve P, really ugly, and F. Alright, that's good. Now I know this is the radio for the Pathfinder. That's the way to do it. Okay, and we have another box with, wow, this is heavy, man. User manual. Oh man, now we gotta love Subotech for that. We have a spare shock absorber here, which we can open and see if it is oil filled or not. Some tools, pins, spare pins, stickers, a user manual, a screwdriver, and a USB charger. Nice, man, nice. Okay, let's put it back here. And behold, that's what I was saying. Yes, yes, awesome, because ta-da! It has the same orange color as my Citroen C5 Aircross. And a quick look, man, what a sweet looking machine this is. Right, there are two drivers inside. There's a driver and a navigator inside as well. And well, they are going out because an FPV system and an HD camera is going in very, very soon. Alright, but we'll give them one ride for sure. Now, before I give you a closer look at the Subotech PathFinder, it is a 1/12 scale, and JJRC Q46 is also 1/12 scale. But if we look at the size comparison, well, Subotech has bigger tires, a little bit bigger in body length, and wider as well. So overall, Subotech is bigger compared to JJRC Q46. This is Subotech PathFinder, 1/12 scale 4-wheel drive vehicle, and it is crawler style. Now under the vehicle you will find most toyish look right here, but they do claim that the parts in these truck are made of engineering grade nylon, so they are very, very durable. Okay, I understand they are very, very durable, but how durable is the screws going in plastic, and how long are they gonna stay there? Anyway, so this is running straight axles on front and rear, beveled gears, beveled gear differentials inside front and rear. And front we also have a steering bar which is connected to a servo or a rudder machine. Alright, it's connected to a servo, and this is one of the most soft steering rods that I have ever seen in my life. I'm not sure how good it's gonna be if one tire gets stuck like that. See? It bends. It doesn't turn. See how it's bending? But anyway, when you move, the wheels turn. So basically it's being soft. Now you see. That's what I was talking about. This wheel not turning because it's bending. Check this out. So anyway, we'll find out how good it is. So once again, you can see the universal drive shaft system right down there. And for the motor, of course, I have to open this shell and remove the driver and navigator, which is, again, I like the way they are actually considering, because these little pins are really difficult to pull sometimes and insert. So this time they have actually given you something really interesting that helps for you to like, it's a kind of holder. It helps you to put in the pin and take it out simply very easily. Okay, so are there any more pins? No, I didn't see any more. And your bonnet opens, okay, which is I don't know why only the bonnet opens. Anyway, the hood opens, and we have the battery right here, which is again opening this way. And I see almost the same type of battery, 20C 1500 mAh 7.4 volt, which the JJRC Q46 is using as well. But it is very interesting to have and conceal the battery down here. It's really a very interesting way to put here and add this bonnet. Sweet. Gives you more of the scale realism, like right here. Okay. Alright, so I'll pull the battery out and put it for charging. Alright, that was very easy. Basically, down here you have two screws, okay? So just right above the shock absorbers, you remove those two screws and you go to the bottom, and I don't know how to show you. There's a little box right here, okay? Under this box there are two screws right there. Can you see it? Those two. So once you have removed these four screws, I will probably permanently remove those rear under screws, because they actually prevent this whole thing from coming up. Okay, so now that you have done that, you just have to pull both sides from under, and voila, this whole thing comes up, okay, and you have access to motor, central transmission system, and your receiver box and everything. So I see a brushed motor and a central transmission system, which they claim was adjustable. I don't see where do you adjust it. We have all-in-one receiver and ESC, which is a brushed ESC down here installed, okay? And I also see connections for the LED lights. Yes, you do have LED lights on the front, okay, and you do have a LED light bar on the top already installed. Now, let's charge the battery and put this boy into action and see what it can do. Off-road trailing, family off-road trailing, that will be fun. But this thing is going to be very competitive. I mean, look at it. There's enough traction in these wheels, man. Wow, superb. High speed help? No. Just the low speed is more than enough. Man, Subotech, this time seems like you did your homework, huh? Oh, that was nice. Trying to wheelie. Come on! Yeah, baby! I'm simply loving this performance. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work. That I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.